Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're tackling a question we often receive: how do I learn options trading? If you're new to this exciting financial world, don't worry, we've got you covered. Understanding options. First things first, let's grasp the basics. Options are financial contracts that grant you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. Understanding this concept is the foundation of options trading. Education is key. Learning options trading starts with education. Begin with books, online courses, and reputable websites. There are many free and paid resources available. Take your time to absorb the information and build a strong knowledge base. Develop a trading plan. Once you have a grasp of the basics, it's time to develop a trading plan. Define your goals, risk tolerance, and strategies. Are you looking for income, hedging, or speculative trading? Your plan should align with your objectives. Practice with paper trading. Before risking real money, consider paper trading. It's like a trading simulator where you can practice without financial risk. This helps you apply your knowledge and test your strategies. Choosing a broker. To execute real trades, you'll need a brokerage account. Research and choose a reliable broker with a user-friendly platform. Ensure they offer educational resources and excellent customer support. Risk management. One critical aspect of learning options trading is risk management. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Implement stop-loss orders to limit losses and diversify your positions to spread risk. Bonus point, mentorship. Bonus point, consider finding a mentor. A mentor can provide valuable guidance, share their experiences, and help you navigate the complexities of options trading. Learning from someone with real-world experience can be incredibly beneficial. In conclusion, learning options trading is a journey that requires education, practice, and a well-defined plan. Take your time, don't rush, and always prioritize risk management. With dedication and the right resources, you can become a successful options trader. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful content on finance and trading. Remember, the path to mastering options trading begins with your commitment to learning.